All right, we're going to jump straight into Module 11 today. Module 10 was what we did earlier this week. Module 11 is another one of those modules that the workload is pretty light, but it is an important thing to cover. So I gave it its own module in the hopes that we would focus enough on it that it becomes really useful to you. I said earlier in the class that Python is one of my favorite languages because it's extensible, which means if there's something that Python can't do in its native language, I can build modules or libraries that allow me to do virtually anything I want. Because the interesting thing about Python libraries is that you don't actually have to write them in Python. So I could use another language and I could connect it with Python using the modules and libraries structure in Python. So that allows me to do all kinds of things in all kinds of languages and all kinds of situations. I can't really think of anything that you can't do with Python. So Python modules are a really great thing to learn. And we've been using modules and libraries pretty extensively through the semester. We've used random quite a bit. We've been using the turtle to draw things on the screen. We've used a couple of others as well. And now we're going to talk about how to create your own modules. And this is a really great thing because if nothing else, what it allows you to do is to reuse your functions. Now we've been working really hard to write functions that function as a black box without having them be dependent on specific variables or situations in your code for this very end goal of being able to reuse them and distribute them in modules. So if we've been doing that, this assignment should be fairly easy to complete.